Online quotation system for transparent costs. One-stop bill of materials procurement. Fast response, with customer satisfaction over 99.6%. If you are looking for an efficient and reliable PCB assembly partner, PCBasic provides a one-stop solution for you. From high-speed SMT placement to through-hole assembly, from PCBA wave soldering to complex PCB assembly, PCBasic is precise, efficient, and reliable. Whether for small or medium to large batch production, we deliver on time. One-stop bill of materials procurement with fast response, saving you purchasing time. Online quotation system makes costs clear at a glance, not only providing PCB assembly, but also covering enclosure construction and cable harness solutions, truly offering full process service from circuit to finished product. Professional processes, strict quality control, with customer satisfaction over 99.6%. PCBasic is your trusted partner. Choose PCBasic for easy, high-quality, and on-time PCB projects. Contact us now to start your one-stop assembly experience.